Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, and it will be a step-by-step breakdown video. If you are a complete beginner, this video might work for you. So basically, Pinterest is not just for saving recipe or outfit idea. It is a powerful visual search engine where people are actively looking to buy. Like here you can see that if we search for, let's search something. Okay, let's go over here Pinterest and let's search it in the incognito window, and let's try to explore a couple of things. Just click over here, explore, and here you can see we have this one. So I will copy this one into here and then I'll search it. So here you can see we have a couple of options. So here we don't have the search options yet, so I will go over here again, and here if you search for Amazon finds, here you can see then you will get couple of options. As you can see, some product videos we have, so they are doing affiliation with this video. Like let's click this one, and in here you can see this is the link they are providing. Like it's really amazing. If you click over here, it will redirect you to the Amazon. So this way they are doing their affiliations with Pinterest. So you can also do this thing, like let me like if you finish the video, like we will cover in this video like how affiliate marketing works on Pinterest, and best affiliate program, how to create viral pins, and tools you need to be success. We are going to cover in this video. And the best part, you don't even need a blog to get started these affiliations. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. So before that, you just need to be understand what actually affiliate or Pinterest affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is when you promote a product using a unique link and you earn a commission when someone clicks and buys. Pinterest allows you to create pin that link directly to affiliate products, that you will get organic traffic without running any ads, and then even you can earn passive income so your pins gain traction. Example, let me give you, that will be you could share a pin about top 5 skincare tools with affiliate links to Amazon or share self products. So that is the thing. So you just need to be now find it out your profitable niche. So niche is an important thing. Like let's go to the Amazon and let's search for amazon.com, and here if you click to the all, here you can see we have product like digital content that shop by department. If I click to the see all, here you can choose your niche. Like start by picking a niche that perform well on Pinterest. It could be beauty and skincare, it could be home decor, it could be fashion, fitness and wellness, it also could be a digital product and tools also. You have so much things to work with on. Like let me give you a simple tip, that is choose a niche you enjoy and you have interest and has product people search for. You can go to the Google trend and then you can find out your niche from here. Like I am so much excited about skateboard. Let's search for skateboard and let's see that the trend how is work in United States. So my audience will be United States, so that's why I choose this one. So I will click to the 2004 to present. So here you can see that in 2006 there is a uprise, and in the 2020 June it has another uprise. So now it is in down. So you could work with this one, but you can compare also. Let's search for cycle and let's compare it. So here you can see that cycle is always on to the, like the fluctuation is not that much like the skateboard. So you can go work with this cycle if you are doing your Pinterest. Like cycle will be our niche. It is has uprising, it is not downward, that's why. So now you just need to be join an affiliate program. Like here, you just need to be sign up for affiliate program that fit your niche. Here are some great option I have, that is Amazon Associates. This is the one. You can create an account, then you just need to promote your link through any one or any options. Then you have ClickBank, then search for Amazon ads. Okay, we lost it again, search it. And then we have ClickBank, and this is the ClickBank top affiliate program. Then we have ShareSale. This is another one, you can do affiliate with this one. Then we have Impact. This is another one to do partnership as a affiliate with this one. Then we have this one called Digistore 24. This is another affiliate program. Like here, this way you will find out so much. Then we have Etsy affiliate. Here you can see this. So tools like Canva, Taiwan or Notion offers affiliate options too. So you will get unique tracking links for each product you promote. So now you just need to create a business account. So we already have a Pinterest account, as you can see it. If you want to make it business, you can create it business. Is totally easy. So you can click over here business. You will you just go to business.pinterest.com, then set up your free business account. Like you will get benefit when you are using business Pinterest. You will have analytics dashboard. Let's go to the setting here, and here you can see that we have couple of things. Like click over here Pinterest and then click on business hub. When I click over here, now eventually you can see we have things like this analytics dashboard, then pin scheduling tools, rich pin support, more trust and visibility on here. Like make sure to optimize your profile name, bio and boards with keywords related to your niche. Then we are going to talk about design high click pins. So you don't need to be design it, just use Canva for free. Tips for viral pins, like use bright colors and readable fonts. Always add a catchy headline like 10 must have home product or 10 top, like you can use 10 top bicycles in 2025 and then search it. And here you can see there is a couple of website we have. So we are going to do the same things in Pinterest. And let's go to the Canva. Let's search for Canva, and here we just going to design a new thing. Let's design, just select one of them, design site, just go over here, and I am going to click a custom design, and from that place I will choose the social media and I will search for pin, and they will give us the Pinterest pin also here. As you can see, it is static ad. Just select this one, and here you will do your design. So I am going to search element like cycle, or you can search cycle over here. That hit enter and go to the photos and select your photos from that place. I'm going to take this one. Let's increase the size, place it properly so it could see perfectly. So now it's amazing. And now I'm going to add my heading over here, 10 top bicycle, and then change the font. And then you could add more effect if it is, you find out it would be great to add the color over here. Let's add this one, and now it's saying, I think it was really cool. In the simple, I think that it is really amazing and gorgeous. So now you just need to be include a CTA like tap to learn more or buy now. Let's upload this pin on our Pinterest. Just click over here and try to create a pin. How we can do it? It's really easy. You just need to come over here, just click on create pin. Once you click over here, then they will give you the options to create your pin. then click to the next. Okay, all done. Next. They are giving us the summary to we can use this perfectly. So like going to place it here, then here I'm going to place top title, top bicycle in 2025. Then here you could say something, then add a description link. So let's go, like I am going to search cycle. So I don't create any affiliate account yet, but if you create an account, then you just need to be copy those link from the affiliate program, then you just need to be paste it over that link. I will copy this link as an affiliate program, then I'll place it here, and then here you can add any alt text if it's needed. So I am going to add similarly this one, and then click to the publish, and then search for Amazon, find, let's hit enter, or you can choose your create board, like board, and I'm going to give an affiliate, give this board is secret, so only you and your collaborator can see it. I will uncheck it and then click create, and now I'm going to click on publish, and eventually it will take a while to complete the procedure, so we need to be wait a bit. On another thing, I am going to see you that tell you that use a shorten like bit.li or redirect through your website if needed. Then here you can see you created a pin, promote your pin to reach more people. At 400 million people come to Pinterest every month to find new things to buy, make and do. Promote your pin. Okay, see your pin, and eventually you can see our pin has been connected, and if I click to the visit site, it redirect me to this page. So this way you can do your work, your affiliations with this Pinterest. Like let me give you a tip, that is optimize your keyword. Like Pinterest is a search engine, use keywords in pin, title, description, post names, your profile. Example, instead of cool lamp, use modern beside, like use modern beside lamp for small bedrooms. Use Pinterest search bar or tools like Uber suggest to find what people are searching. So discover your affiliate link. Pinterest allow direct affiliate links but must disclose add hashtag affiliate or add hashtag ad in your pin description to stay compliant with FTC rule. So let's wrap up the video. If you are now thinking to start your affiliate program with the Pinterest, now you can easily do it. I hope you'll learn so much thing from this place. If you found out this video was really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with a new topic.